It's gonna look cute. So for today's video, I thought that it would be fun to do a Halloween look. I want to do something Halloween inspired. I think that would be fun. I'm actually gonna put foundation on my eyes, then do my eyebrows because I want this to be like a really clean look. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. If you hear shouting in the background, that's my boyfriend. He's playing Fortnite with his friends. So the first color I'm going to go in with is from the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to take Cone. And I'm just going to put it all over my lid and my crease as my transition shade. So let's do that. The next color I'm going in with is Double Scoop from the MiniBreaker palette. And I am going to put that in my crease. Now I'm going to start putting some darker colors, so I am going to go into the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette in Secret. And I want to put it in the, I don't know what you call that honestly, but I'm going to put it out here. Just to darken everything. Okay, so now I'm going to put some foundation to clean up the lids. I'm going to go in with Virgin from the Jawbreaker palette and put that all over my lid. So now I'm going to add a lid color. For the lid, I am going to go in with Orange Juice from the Jawbreaker palette. Take some blue. I'm going to take Delicious from the Jawbreaker palette to darken up the crease. The corners, the outer edge. There we go. So I'm going to connect this to the top. So I'm going with this peachy color, and I'm going to just blend that into the brow area. So I'm going to clean this up. And now I'm gonna line my eyes. So let's see. So now I am going to line the top line and the bottom lash line with black. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. For the bottom lash, I am going to take Duck and Suck and put it under here. And I'm going to deepen here. Let's see. Now I'm going to take Slice from the MiniBreaker palette and I'm just going to put it right in the middle, right here. Now I'm put foundation on the rest of my face. So in the inner corner, I am going to go in with Orange Crush from the MiniBreaker palette. Now I'm put some mascara on. So now after I did the face, my eyes are looking amazing. So now I am going to bronze my face. I'm gonna highlight. For the highlight, I want it to be fun. So I am going to go in with Cocky from the Brain Freeze palette. I'm gonna highlight right here. I also want like some orange in here. So I'm gonna take orange juice and put it on my nose. And for Halloween, this is something I would do. I'm also put some on top of here. So I'm gonna put the highlight in this area. I'm gonna focus it kind of in the cheekbones. Like a blush. And blend it out. So I decided that I really love this color so much that I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Or why not just put it in my brow bone? Okay, and for my lips, I am using Video Vixen by Wet n Wild. Of course, nothing new. Also, I think I want to like extend this just a little bit with some black because once again, it's Halloween. We're being extra. We're living our best lives. I did lose a lot of that color, so I'm going to go back with this Wet n Wild shade and just blend everything in with my finger. Okay, so now I'm gonna put more of that orange on my lip. And that is my Halloween makeup inspired look. Hope you guys like it. I hope that I get to do more of these. September is almost over and October is coming. Spooky season's on its way and I'm so excited. So hopefully I get to do more makeup looks. Till next time, bye.